Wow, Arjun! Look at all these amazing trees! And that waterfall looks so pretty.
It's like a real-life painting, isn't it, Maya? I love how green everything is.
And listen to the birds. It's so peaceful here. I wish we could live in a place like this forever.
Me too! Imagine waking up to this every day.
Who dares to trespass in my territory?
Oh no! What is this?
We didn't mean to trespass. We were just enjoying the beautiful jungle.
Enjoying, are we? Well, this part of the jungle is mine, and if you wish to pass, you must prove your cleverness.
Cleverness?
Precisely. Tell me my name, what letter my name starts with, and the sound that letter makes. If you answer correctly, you may pass. If not, you'll be my lunch.
Can you help, Arjun? What do you think the name is? What letter does it start with? And what sound does that letter make?
I know! Your name is Lion. It starts with the letter L, and the letter L makes the la sound.
Remarkable. Absolutely remarkable. You are a very clever young man. All your answers are correct. You may both pass through my territory.
Yay! We did it, Arjun!
We sure did.
Now go on and enjoy the rest of your adventure. But remember, the jungle has many secrets and many creatures. Always be respectful and clever.
We will, Mr. Lion. Thank you.